Hey, it's Mac with PriceActionTradingSystem.com. It's Tuesday, it's January 29th. This will be our chart lesson for today. And I've got a small issue today. I'm not going to be able to do the chart lesson, but I did have enough time to at least upload something and just show you what my chart looked like. I'm not going to go over the trades. I apologize, but I've got to be out of here and I've got like a limited 15 minutes to do this. So I'm going to try to just show you my chart, talk about a couple of things, and then try to get this uploaded in that 15 or 20 minutes I've got. And I hope I have time to do this. So I'm not going to waste any time here. Early on, we had an uptrend going on here, and it looked like there was a shorter term trend here. You can see the lighter two blue lines, and there's actually two tiers in there. And then there's a larger pattern here, and this pattern's playing out, but we did get a break, and we tried to go higher. We never could quite make a new high before the day ended over here. But for all intents and purposes, this is a range day, and you can see the support here, and most of your resistance is right across this 26.47 and a quarter, 47, yeah, 47 and a quarter there. And you can see that's where we really made it back to this afternoon. We had a little failed break higher here. But this is a range day, but it's a big enough range where there's a trend up, a trend down, and another trend back up. There's really a couple of trends down here. It looked like this two-tiered channel to the upside was going to hold, and we just got back to the midline, and then it just kind of sold off. And we did attempt to try to make a retest here, and even late in the afternoon we tried one more time, but we just couldn't do it. So we're still finding resistance at this 26.47 and a quarter. And I believe that was some resistance yesterday. Yeah, you can see we had a little resistance there yesterday. It wasn't much, a little bit right there in the morning or the overnight session. And then it was acting this. So this has been an important price level. See where this line still, where we had some resistance there the previous day. And some support and resistance there the previous day before that. So this is where this is an important price level. So just keep an eye on it. You can see it right there once again. So that's a very important price level. So keep an eye on it tomorrow, and hopefully we'll be back to normal trading tomorrow. But I just didn't. I've got to be somewhere, and I can't get out of this, and I just don't have time to do the chart lesson. So, but there's what I had today. You can see it. There's a trend coming down here. And there was a big overshoot, but I went ahead. You can't really see it. Let me just darken that. I went ahead, and once it's steepened up like that, you want to draw your steeper trend line, and you can see it working down there. But it looks like we had a channel here and just a big overshoot, and then we reversed and took off the other way. And we got an overshoot here, and we couldn't quite make a new high. We tried to go lower high, but when it makes that higher low right here, I would measure this and look for a measured move there. And you can see we got a measured move to a perfect tick right there. We didn't quite get there until in the overnight, but so far that's a perfect measured move to the tick. So that's what I would be looking for. And same thing, anytime you, like right here when we backed up, if we'd have kept going higher here, I would have measured this move up and looked for a measured move from there on up. Didn't happen today, but that's what I would be looking for. Same thing here on this leg down. I would have looked for a measured move down. We got much more than that, as you can see. We actually got a good bit more than that. You can see it tried to bounce right in that level, but we pushed on down and tested. Really what we were coming back to do was test that support right there. And you can see we tested it, found support again, and it went up from there. And now we're finding resistance again here, so there's a good chance we could turn out. We may get through it. If it gets through there and acts as support, then we may go higher. But until then, you got to respect that level, and if anything, look to probably sell off that level. So anyway, that's what I'm going to show you today. I apologize I don't have time to go through the trades. I should be back to normal tomorrow, and I do have a appointment with my eye doctor on Monday of next week, so there'll probably be no mid-morning chart or chart lesson on Monday of next week. But I'll look at my schedule and see what time my appointment is, and whether, give you a better idea as we get closer to that point. So the rest of the week should be normal. But I'm going to wrap it up. This is Mac with PriceActionTradingSystem.com, and we'll see you next time.